I have got this iPhone 5 from another store. It is for the data recovery. I haven't opened it up yet. It's missing this two screw. The story behind it, they said they replace the battery and after that it just coming up Apple logo and just goes off. So like when we put on charge, it's just doing like this. And I asked them if they have replaced the try with another battery or not. They said yes, but it still doesn't turn on. So let's have a look. I'm opening it first time, but this been opened before by someone else and it is already missing the battery plate and the screw. What I am assuming is they would have knocked something off next to the battery connector, but we're not 100% sure. But my job is not to fix the phone. My job was to get the data out from here. Okay, let me turn on my microscope. Not this one. Okay, nothing is visible. I was hoping they would have knocked something off from here, but this one looks alright. Let's see with the multimeter. Something comes up. These two pins are showing ground and this one got a value. Actually I forgot everything about the iPhone 5, how they used to be with this one. So let's open the ZXW tool. So we always gonna start from here. This is ground, but this is not ground, which is showing. Okay, so yeah, we found the problem. It should be here somewhere. See, this pin, when I checked, it's showing is ground, but it's not. This is PP VBAT. Okay. And why it is ground, we have no idea. So this one got all the small caps around it, and then the main things are going here. Where was the MOSFET for this phone? I think it's this one here. This one here. Yeah, then it's converts to the VCC main. So if the short has on a VCC main, we could have checked it with the DC power supply, but the short is showing over here. So maybe this thing is short. So let's open up the phone first. We could try one more thing. Let's put some voltage over here. Where I'm talking about is we will inject some voltage over here and see which area is getting hot. I'm assuming this Q4 here will get hot. This is definitely gonna get hot anyway, like even if the short is somewhere else, that area will still get hot. Okay, not this. I always get confused with this one. So we need the yeah, try this one. I cannot zoom this camera. So what I'm doing is negative to the negative, and positive side I'm putting this one, and it's getting 5 amp. And I'm quickly disconnecting it and see where the short is, or where it's getting hot. Need a bit more time. It was getting 5 amp and now it's not getting anything. So maybe the short has been cleared already. How do we test it? We will test it with the multimeter again. Let me switch to the top camera over here. Actually, this way. No, it's not cleared. So why is not showing over here? I'm gonna open up the back shield anyway. Actually, I'm a bit confused. Like, if this one is short, then it should give us some amp. Like, it was giving me just 5 amp over there, and now it's not. Let's see again. So VBAT VCC, which is short, showing is short, is not getting hot. It's not getting hot because it's not getting power. Is my wires are connected? Yes. Hot. Okay, let's take off this shield and we'll see what comes up. Shield is off. Let's see under the microscope any water over there or no. But I don't understand if it's they changed the battery and after this one happened, how come the damage or the short can be on this side? Or unless they did something else, they told me something else. Okay, the RAM is not pasted, which is it is pasted but not that much. Eating over there, dodge the meta. Okay, what I gonna do is Why my Microsoft camera is not clear? Okay, now it's clear. No, it's not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this one, Q2. Let's show you. Q4, not Q2, because this one is coming from PP battery VCC and is converting that one to VCC main. Gonna take this one off and gonna see if there's any difference. Okay. I'll get my tweezer. Hold on to it. 1, 2. Okay, 2 seconds is good. Okay, now this one is off. What I'm going to do is with the multimeter, I'm going to check that part if it's beeping. I'm a bit confused actually. Let me check the diode mode reading on that one from a working board. Let me find another board. Okay, I got another board, and let's see. My meter is off. Yeah, it shouldn't beep. It should give us a value at 350, which is on a working board. So I was thinking, right, this one is beeping. So it means the short is only on this line. From here it could be any of these capacitor or anything, and over here, and that's it. And now because that thing is off, let me try to inject the voltage over there again. It's not getting anything, which is very strange. So let's inspect it physically, what's going on. So they have changed the battery and this one happens. That's really strange. Maybe it wasn't there for you, it was just a bad luck, like. Okay, let's see. From here, I'm watching my diagram over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are from this line, and these two capacitors are on this line, yeah? And they're all gaps. And what happens after that? On this side of the board there's nothing, and on another side of the board, you know what it could be? Because when we connect the battery, it doesn't like just goes over here. It gives power to all other thing. It gives powers to the Wi-Fi antenna, Wi-Fi IC, and it gives. I think this one goes to the display one. What's this one for? U7. That's camera, I think, because the camera flash need direct linear power, so it should be going over there through this coil. So what could happen is, if there's any short on the secondary line, it will show up over here. Okay, that's interesting. So what we're going to do now, we're not going to just test this line, we are going to test another line. For example, this is a coil, yeah, one side is coming from PP-BET VCC and another side is going to L19 switch, which is, I think, buck or something. So the short could be coming from that side as well. Or the short could be coming from the Wi-Fi chip itself as well. That's good, that's interesting. Desk and desktop. Wi-Fi is very common to get damage. Lucky this phone is just for the data recovery, not for fixing. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking for, we found something. See over here? How did I miss that? What is this one for? Okay, next to the coil, power IC, coil, this one, and this one is PP-BET VCC. Maybe it wasn't burned before and it get burned when I inject the volt from the battery. Okay, that thing is off. Now we're gonna test it with the multimeter. Haha. So now I'm testing with the multimeter, there is no short. Negative to the ground. Positive over here. Diode mode reading is 366, which is next very similar to the working board. So all I need to do is, I took this off for no reason. I need to re-jumper this one. What we're going to jumper, let me show you. Any of these 2 points. This is VCC main and VBET. So we need to just join any 2 of these pin. This is not important at the moment. Okay, jumper is done. I didn't switch the camera. I just done the jumper over there. Alright, the phone is on.